Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Easy Anti-Cheat error code 30005. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that your launcher is closed, okay? Right click and click on exit right here from your taskbar. If you can see Epic Games, or if you're using Epic Games, right click and exit as well. And then once that's done, right click on a blank space right here on your taskbar, and then just click on Task Manager. Find Easy Anti-Cheat. You can type it down right here at the very top. Easy. And if you can't find one, well, just end task, okay? If you don't know how to end the task, just right click and end task. If you can find Easy Anti-Cheat. And then once that's done, go ahead over to your File Explorer. Go ahead over to your local disk C. Program files x86. Easy Anti-Cheat EOS. Delete Easy Anti-Cheat EOS.sys and Easy Anti-Cheat EOS. Okay? Delete them, continue, wait for the process to finish, and close this one, restart your computer, and once that's done, open up the game that requires Easy Anti-Cheat, and after that, you're good to go. That is how you fix the anti-cheat error code 3005. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.